My favorite sport,
हाँ.
football.
And who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Roberto Carlos.
Very nice. Even I don't know about him. Can you please share from where he is?
He is from Brazil.
Okay, very nice. What about you? What is your favorite game?
Cricket.
Cricket. And who is your favorite cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Why do you like Virat? Why not Dhoni?
Because the Virat is king of cricket.
King of cricket. Okay. What was the last score of Virat? Do you know?
Last score.
So people, have you seen the clip which I have attached in the starting of the this video? If yes, then I want to share with you all that today I am not here with any particular topic, or I am not going to explain you anything. Today in morning only I was just walking and I have seen two little boys talking with each other in English, and I literally felt motivated that how fluent these two are. So I decided to have a little talk with them, and while talking, I got to know that age doesn't matter to learn anything. At whatever age you are, whatever stage you are of your life, don't wait that okay, I'll complete my 10th, then I'll learn speaking English. I'll complete my graduation, or at the time of placement I'll start learning English. No. Start learning from today. So with the help of this video, I just want to motivate the childhood people. Maybe you are a mother watching this video, or you are a teacher, or maybe you are any college going student. This video is going to be a motivational video for all the age group. So if you are a mother, you can share with your children that see how fluent they are talking, or if you are at any adult or young one going college or school going, you can motivate yourself that if these people can speak this much fluent English, why not you? So let's directly, without wasting time, I am Akriti and I welcome you all on my channel English with Akriti. Let me take you directly toward a conversation. So good morning both of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Not ma'am, you can call me Didi,
good
okay?
morning.
Alright. So what's your name?
My name is Swarnim Singh Chauhan.
Swarnim Singh Chauhan, very nice. What
And my
about you?
name is Vid Singh.
Ritin.
Vid.
Vid.
Vid Singh.
Vid, can you please spell your name?
Vid S-I-N-G-H.
Wow. Okay, so fine. So let me introduce myself first of all.
Yes.
My name is Akriti Verma and I have my YouTube channel. So we are going to have a small conversation, and in that conversation we will have some English talk, and then I'll upload your video on YouTube channel. You can see yourself there. Okay. So in which school do you read?
I read in Nalanda Public School.
Ananda.
And
Okay.
I read in St. Paul's College.
St. Paul's College. All right. In which class do you read?
I read in 5th.
Fifth. What about you?
I read in class 3rd B.
Okay. So which one is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. What about yours?
My favorite subject is general knowledge.
GK. Okay. English. What do you like in English?
English.
In English, what do you like? You like alphabets, spellings, sentences, or what?
Nouns.
Nouns you like.
Yeah.
Can you please give example of your nouns
Noun is
which are present over here in this park? Can you please name any one of them?
things. The exercise
Okay.
and the human beings
Very nice.
and the trees
Trees. Very good.
and the
Correct.
animals.
Animals also. Very nice. So what do you like in general knowledge?
I like current affairs,
Okay.
news.
All right. So can you please share 2-3 current affairs which are going on nowadays in the news?
Nowadays,
Yes. So any news which is hiking nowadays?
there is a Vijay Thalapathy has become the CM of Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
That's first.
Very
And-
nice.
And the second one is
All right. Have you listened about Khan Academy?
Khan Academy. Yes.
Yes.
Khan sir has been arrested.
Okay. For what
I
reason?
just forgot that.
It's okay. I reminded you. So for what reason he has been arrested?
He has been arrested for that I don't know.
That you don't know. I think there was some conflict between two people who are having same kind of coaching. So some
Okay.
conflict happened over there.
Oh.
All right. So now some more questions will be there. Now firing question will be there. Very fast. I will question and you have to answer very fast. Okay. So your favorite food?
My favorite food is mango.
Okay, yours?
Apple.
Apple. All right. Why apple? Why not mango? People like mango more, but you are liking apple. Why? Because one apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yes.
That's the reason. Okay. Okay. Which color do you like more?
I like black and white.
But you are not wearing black and white. You are wearing plain pink right now.
Blue, because I don't wear black and white in common days.
Okay.
I wear in my
Special
birthday,
occasions.
special day.
All right. What about you?
My favorite color is blue
Okay.
and black
Blue and black.
and red.
Okay. Do you also wear in special occasions only?
Yes, sir.
You both are brothers?
No.
Then?
We are friends. We are friends.
You're
Best
friends. Best friends. Oh my. But there is an age difference between you then?
The age doesn't matter.
Okay. Then what talks you share with each other?
Like,
Ajay, can you share one secret about him which nobody knows? Is he your father?
no.
No?
Yeah. It's my mom.
Mama. Okay. So which secret about him you know and nobody knows? Even mama doesn't know.
The secret.
Today you can share with everybody. He is
I
smiling
think
because
that
he's-
I have forgotten.
Okay, do you know any secret of him?
He knows. I have told him. I also forget.
Oh, they are very smart. Please tell any one of it.
No, he.
Tell quickly.
My friend. He.
You people are bestest friend, right? You will not share the secrets. Should we move from here? Secret and
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Now, if I want to ask you that what is few things which you feel that you have achieved in this much age? What will be those things?
That I have achieved.
Ha. Tell yet.
I have achieved learning, playing,
Okay.
and
Which sport is your favorite sport?
oh sorry.
Be careful. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm.
You
My,
can stop right now.
my favorite sport,
Huh.
football.
And who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Roberto Carlos.
Very nice. Even I don't know about him. Can you please share from where he is?
He is from Brazil.
Okay, very nice. What about you? What is your favorite game?
Cricket.
Cricket. And who is your favorite cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Why do you like Virat? Why not Dhoni?
Because the Virat is king of cricket.
King of cricket. Okay. What was the last score of Virat? Do you know?
Last score
You don't know? No problem. We can check it out. Okay. Do you want to?
50.
50. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Even I don't have much interest in cricket, so I'm not sure about it. Do you want to ask any question from me?
What business do you?
What business I do? Okay, I'm telling you. So I don't do any business. I'm working as assistant professor in an engineering college. With that, I have my YouTube channel also named English with Akriti. You can see your video over there. Okay, I'll upload by today evening. Okay, be careful.
How many subscribers have you got?
Still yet I have not much subscriber. It is about to reach 2,000.
And
But my channel is monetized.
monetized?
What is your age?
How
What
much
is
do
your
you get?
I get around that I cannot share openly because it is in a policy, but I get okay. And
What is your age?
my age is around 28.
What
Now I
is
feel like you
what
people are
is your
taking my
birth-
interview.
What is your birth month?
Birth month is October, 28 October. What about yours?
Mine is 8th August 2015.
Okay, can you please share any funniest incident which happened in your life with us so that we all can laugh together?
Funniest incident.
Yes. Maybe in your schools, in your home, or any notorious activity you have done maybe. Without
I
telling
have literally done many things, but while giving the interview, I just forgotten everything.
I can give you some clues you can
sorry.
remember. It's okay. Maybe in school with teachers you have done something. With your
Teachers.
parents you have done something wrong in home and you have hidden it like that.
Yes. My brother has my brother has online the watch.
Huh?
When the watch came,
Okay.
the watch was so cool. I was like, that was so cool. Let's see what is in it.
Okay.
I just broke the watch,
Oh God.
and the outer layer was glass.
Okay.
I just broke the glass and I see that the glass is now broken. I was so scared that I go to mom's drawer and I just put that into the drawer.
You kept
and
it
just left
secretly,
it.
right? And okay, then what happens when he got to know that it is broken then?
And then mummy knows that I have taken that. Then my mother came and saying me, why have you kept that?
So you escaped from that.
Yes.
Right? Nobody has scolded you, nobody got to know.
No.
But with the help of this video, they'll get to know now.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what about you? Your notorious activity, sir. You look very notorious. You have hit me multiple times, you know. But you look so cute. You share your... You can stop it down now, right now. Otherwise, you'll fall again.
Ma'am,
You can tell in Hindi also, no problem.
I am going from one place, so I am playing cricket from my friends. Arsh, Sakim,
Just stop it. Otherwise, your voice will not go there.
Arsh, Sakim, and Jeet.
Okay.
We are playing, and then some mud is there. So I am going to hitting the ball, and I hit the mud.
Oh shit! Then you fall into the mud.
No, the mud goes on the car.
Oh shit!
Yes, sir.
All right. Then what about that car person? He has not scolded you.
No, I have hidden.
You have hidden yourself. Very nice. You know, in childhood, I have also broken one person's car glass.
Wow.
Car was standing, nobody was there in the car, and then I ran away. But that person has seen in the camera.
Wow.
Then he came to fight with my parents. Then my parents have given some amount of money to repair that car. All right, it was very nice talking to you both, and I'm very proud that at this age you people are very fluent in English. Do you know most of the people who are in my age, in your age students, they even don't know single word of English. Do you know?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you people are going to be the motivation for those people. That is why I have talked with you all. Very nice interaction with you all. Bye bye. Love you.
Bye bye.
See you again. Tada. Okay, so people, I hope you have liked watching this video, the conversation between two children and me. And I just wanted to share the major objective of sharing this conversation with you all is that there will be no time when you will be perfect in English and then you will start speaking. No. Start speaking from today, because if you remember, go back in your childhood, the moment you start learning, riding bicycle. Okay, how you have learned? Were you perfect at the first go? No. First of all, you were riding by walking, and then you started, maybe you have fallen multiple times, you get injured also, but now you are very much perfect. If you don't ride cycle for 2-3 months also, you will not forget riding. Similarly, same thing happens with English also, people. If you will think that, okay, once I learn grammar, then I'll start, or I'll be a bit fluent, then I'll start. Otherwise, people will start making fun of mine. Don't think like this. There will be no perfect time to start speaking English. Start from today. Whatever you know, at whatever level you are, even you don't know single word of English, start speaking. People will laugh on you, let them laugh. People are making fun of yours, let them make fun of yours. But just you think about the result the day you will be perfect in English. So with this, everybody, I am ending this video here only. And don't forget to share this video with your loved ones if you want them to learn English fluently. Till then, bye-bye. See you all in the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.